an in-display fingerprint sensor. This OnePlus phone has a triple camera with a 64MP primary lens, 119-degree wide-angle lens and 16MP selfie lens. It is powered by Oxygen OS 11 based on Android 11. The device measures 7.3 by 0.8 by 16.1 centimeter and weighs 173 grams. It runs on a 4500 mAh battery with a 65-watt charge velocity. The box includes the OnePlus Nord CE 2, a SIM tray ejector, adapter and USB cable. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product details.
Hello friends, in this video I'll show you the gaming performance of the OnePlus Nord CE 2 5G. So let's start with the graphics settings. Let's tap here. Now go in the audio and graphics. Here you can see in the graphic quality we have low, medium and high options. And in frame rates, low, medium, high, very high and max options. We will play on low graphics and max frame rate so you will get 60 FPS from this phone. Now let's start the game. Let me tell you, this phone has 6GB RAM and MediaTek Dimensity 900 processor which works on 6nm fabrication. Coming to the gaming experience, you get smooth performance from the phone and 6.43-inch Fluid AMOLED display has good touch response. During long gaming sessions, you get a stable frame rate and good graphics details. The 4500 mAh battery will also help you for your long gaming sessions. So all in all, the gaming performance of the OnePlus Nord CE 2 5G is up to the mark and you will enjoy your gaming on this device.
Smartphone, the OnePlus Nord CE 2 does come with a lot of goodies in the box. Things like the charger and cable are obviously present, but you also get a silicone case and some stickers, which is a nice touch. OnePlus has kept the headphone jack, so yay! The display is still a 6.43-inch AMOLED panel with a 90Hz refresh rate, but it's now HDR10+ certified. Now the Nord CE 2 does have a very good in-hand feel and it is very together. As you can see, it's also pretty slim and light, which does make it very comfortable for everyday use. It features the more powerful MediaTek Dimensity 900 SoC, and more than the performance improvement, I'm happy to see support for 8 5G bands in India. The Nord CE 2 also gets other upgrades such as expandable storage in the form of a dedicated microSD slot. There's Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2 and support for 65-watt fast charging. There are plenty of shortcuts and gestures to play with and the whole experience feels fluid and snappy. The in-display fingerprint sensor worked really well in my experience and even face recognition was quick. Videos in general looked very good on the Nord CE 2's display. Colors were punchy with nice saturation and brightness was more than adequate. Besides videos, games also looked very good on this phone's display. I found the touch response to be pretty good even with fast-paced multiplayer games such as Call of Duty Mobile. There's a 64-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 2-megapixel macro camera. At the front, you get a 16-megapixel selfie camera.
And we're live with Chad for his morning glow-up. Oh, low battery alert. Plug that baby in and pick out some sick drip. Oh, don't forget nibbles. Boom! 1 day's power in 15 minutes. Now strap in for face-melting boredom. This lady's voice could stun a rhinoceros. Can Chad survive? Amazing! Chad's juked the professor and stomping noobs on that big display with an assist from the speedy chipset. There's Chad's flashy bay. Good thing he's prepared, because she loves talking about her classy threads.
¿Qué le pasa por la cabeza a ese hombre? Pero vos no me digas si quiero más, dale, dale. Ay, sí, me encanta.
Holy cow, he went full Giga Chad on those shots. And now Chad's battling the evil spectre of loud public transportation. Whoa, just call him Quick Trigger Chad, and he's on the phone and swiping with blazing speed, stacking likes like a boss. Oh man, he's done a bang-up job.
A little more than you expect.